Yo, what up? It's your boy, Mr. Consistent, man. We dropping a video every single day on police content, body cam footage. You know how I go. You know how I go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you tuned in to when we're going to be dropping a video. Today, we're actually going to be reacting to police shoots armed suspect after pursuit ends in 7-Eleven crash. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be very, very interesting. Man, let's get into it because I'm looking forward to watching how this turns out. Dang, he crashed into the building like that? Is that really worth it? Like, the dude, like, where do you think you going? Honestly, where do you think you going now that you crashed into the gas station or the 7-Eleven, whatever you want to call it? Now you on foot and you ain't gonna go nowhere, man. That's just crazy. That's idiotic. That's definitely idiotic to me.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up!
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
Hands up, gun!
Ooh, they hitting that boy with that, they hitting that boy with that act right. You hear me? Shit, you don't tighten up. You better act right, boy. You better. Oh man. Look, did you see the other cop? Look, wait, hold on. Look at this cop right here. Look at this cop right here. He looking like, I don't really want to shoot, but my partner is shooting, so I feel like I might have to do something. Look at him. Watch. Look at him. Yeah, that boy don't want to shoot, boy. He don't want no parts of that. Let's see what's going on the inside. That crash is crazy, bruh.
We just ran through the store. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Gun!
Oh, he got a gun. Oh, now I see why the cops shot. Oh, yeah, bro. Come on, you asking for a death sentence. I want to know what he actually did, though. Damn.
305 out of me just ran through the store. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! 305 Adam, shots fired! Shots fired! 305 Adam, shots!
See, this is why I like police activity, man. They be always having the different angles of the different, they really do they due diligence on actually getting everybody's body camera on what is actually going on, man. Police activity, they're great for delivering the body cam footage and stuff like that, man. I like watching their content.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Oh, 1 second. I know you want to get back to the video, but I have to cover this because it might protect you and save your life. 4 items that I think every person needs is 1, pepper spray in case you're Ubering or walking around at night. You want some sort of line of defense. A body cam. Police have body cams. Why can't we? To record our interactions, or if you're an up-and-coming YouTuber and you want to do your own First Amendment audits. A dash cam if you're driving, you want to record your accidents that happen on the outside of the vehicle. Or if you get stopped by the police, you need something to record on the inside as well. And everyone needs a pocket-sized mini version of the United States Constitution. The link to all these items are linked in the description box down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Hands up! Hands up! Gun!
That's actually a short video, but my thing is that if you're gonna run from the cops, okay, fine, but why damage other people's property in your process? You know what I'm saying? Like, now you crashing into the 7-Eleven because of your foolishness. You ain't going nowhere. You pulling out a gun. Now they gonna riddle you with bullets. It's like, bro, if you just want to be a knucklehead on your own, go be a knucklehead on your own. You know what I'm saying? Run into your own house, okay? Run there. You know what I'm saying? But to mess up other people's business and stuff like that, I'd just be like, oh, man. You know, just like we seen the other video with a guy, he was on a high-speed chase or whatever, and he ends up crashing into somebody's store and stuff like that. If you guys didn't watch that video, I have it linked somewhere up here or whatever where you guys could check it out. But it's just all the times it's just like, just if you want to be a fool, participate in your own foolishness on your own. Don't invite other people to participate in your foolishness. Don't bring other people's businesses into it. Like, just take your ass to jail on your own. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's as simple as that. But yeah, that's the video for today, man. You know, you know it's your boy, Mr. Consistent, man. It's your boy, Mr. Consistent. Make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's going on in the comment section, though. I want to hear your guys' thoughts, your guys' opinions. And yeah, we pretty much just got another knucklehead. That's pretty much what it comes down to. These guys is just, man, they just doing stupid stuff, you know, and we can't even always blame the police. You know what I'm saying? When the cops is wrong, they wrong. But when they right, they right. And in this instance, if I was a cop, I would have riddled him with bullets too. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. You pointing a gun at me, hey, one of us got to go. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it ain't gonna be me.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.